My mom just cooked lunch and I am taking this opportunity to try out these new knives as well as show you guys. So I have some food over here that I'm going to cut up, and as you can see, these knives are very new and they have not been used yet, so I'm super excited to try them out. They have all this white detailing. It comes with some scissors and a nice sharpener and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different knives. So you're never going to run out of knives to use or to cut things with, to be honest. So if you have to cut multiple things, you have plenty here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my food, cut it up, and show y'all. So I'm going to be using this knife right here, and I'm just going to take it. And as you can see, that cut right through my boudin. And if you've ever eaten boudin, you know that the skin is pretty hard to cut through. But this is cutting straight through it, which is really nice. I don't have to use a lot of pressure. As you can see, the knife is gliding super easily. I have my Zumo. I'm just going to do the same thing. Same skin, just gliding through there. So you know these knives are super sharp, especially if I can cut through boudin and Zumos. You can see that is just... So if it can cut through this skin right here, it definitely could probably cut through your skin. So you just need to be very careful because these are super sharp. Now, I'm going to go rinse this off, eat my food, and if you're looking for some knives to cut food up with, just like boudin and Zumos, these are definitely a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.